everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today you will learn the basics on how the trend lines are drawn. So at first I'll choose daily time frame from here and I will change the chart to line chart. Take the trend line tool from here and we will draw trend line over the major points where the price fell. As you can see, these are the rejection areas. We draw another one. Here it's touching the major points. Whenever there's a breakout, we'll see a retest like this one. And from there it will go further down. So the area where there's a retest, take it as an entry for short. Or entry for short. That one is the area. This is for daily time frame. Now let's take a shorter time frame, say 4 hours. The same way we will draw the trend lines again. These are the levels where the market rejected. Another one. It's touching the trend line. You can see the reversal. There was a breakout here. It retested and went further away. So now that area would be our entry for buy. Here. Let's take a different time frame now. Say 2 hours. As you can see, market was here at this point, and from there it came down here. Support. And it bounced back from that point. You can see it's moving along within this trend lines. Now we want to predict the direction of the market. It can either break out, retest, and go further up, or it can touch here, come down at this point, retest, and can go further down. This area where it touched, that will be the area of rejection. It can also take a different course, like the price in this point of rejection can fall till here to this point and then bounce back here. From there it can either fall or break out, retest, and further go up. So there are different possibilities. Let's take a different time frame, say 15 minutes. Here also we'll repeat the same process, drawing trend lines. Let me remove all these. Select the tool. And we'll draw one over here. Here there was a breakout, retest, and it went further up. So that area was the entry for buy. The entry for buy. And that's our support. Let's take a different time frame again. 5 minutes. Now the thing about the smaller time frame is that they are useful for scalping and intraday, while the bigger time frames are better for swing trades. So, okay, we draw another once again. Another one like this. Two more down there. And that's a breakout. We test, and then it went further up. Here we have our buy entry after we test this area. Now come over here. Let's predict the next move. So the price can get rejected at this point and fall down at that point at support. Then it can go up. Or it can break out, retest, and fall further down. Now that area will have our entry or short. Another possibility is that now it can break out there, retest, and can go further up. That area will be our entry for buy. Entry for buy. So that's how we draw the trend lines. For more lessons on trading, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any video. That's all for today. See you next time.